Um,
Evie do no samo. Ma be owokan obime ogbari won no. We magun ebe no de.
we may so allow.
I case we make I want. Magun ebe no de. So mana we ona we need again ni that when we ohu ne de o mi ni ya we mi e ba ore na miena we ore na miena upa ya o ne de kan we je Enogie o we mi na ko ne de ona baba la wo ni mi e nu tai e me nu gun egun la yen o baba lao do we era we hin die me ni ya o ene de gbe ni bibi enyan na we e me tata we me won se we di gwale me yi na gidi de ne ogwe na na we tie me we ni die ge no na baba we aye na we ro wa owo mani ade na wa ke we me ade na maybe me so yi ro we imad ona gele gun egun we no ke no gun egun we ipologbe ene madin eteje ona eti no pa eti but wo ma ni ya we mi a wi eyin gwalo no ga we ni he be ni kai a wi ga we dio ekme eno ekme a wi hin wona yibo paswa ni lao no be agi me we mi na we agwagun so wa lao o no guwagun wa show a video na o kan guwagun no ro in mind ma so yin oku wa mani pe ai ka ta mu wa onu wa we ga ma gbe mana go agba owo kan we gbe mana o we no kan we tai pa obi emi kere oku gwa lo nu wa woni no ma de wa ri oto ade be me dege na de dali me my daddy told me. My sweetheart. Yeah, go.
Now, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. I greet everyone. So, because of the current wind, the grant, since yesterday, I party top put. First of all, a big apology to Lady Precious Meg and what you could know, mama. I was just no boko while I will where going. There's all lads here when I go yo. There's all my lads here where I don't go no matter to be man. No, I do iguayo. First, the whole thing was prank anyway. For the beginning, the whole thing was prank. Okay, prank you know what? No. The day when the quarrel start, maybe the day when fight when cause after the prank, we don't feel the quarrel. So na prank we take starter before you come share to reality. Wetin dey always a bring quarrel no pass the fatherly love when I cry put day and night. No be to use mouth talk say na me born pikin with na me born pikin. When e be say dem no dey care, no be to wear pikin fine cloth. Now see pikin for outside don say wow. Say our children fine. Inside they are not happy. I no like am. I no want make my children. Me no want. I no experience fatherly love. So I don't need that kind of thing for my children. Me not grow as I say. I grow with my papa. I experience fatherly love. Then my children, of course, they come. They not go experience fatherly love. So man, they take care of pikin. They play with her. So I not just say every woman go quarrel. So wetin me they cry for? Wetin me they complain for? Wetin they cause argument? Because as we they do saga, I know my children come out tomorrow. They will call they arrogant, call they ash for public. Then they will call say oberanari or obijonari. Never in my life will I brought my children up like that. At least if pikin come and don't say on a money no give beer or on a money we Nora beer in your waluga because parents they brought them up a good way. Me no want say pikin go dey grow can will leave everything for teacher. A teacher why we me here. Area contributing, EJ contributing. So if papa dey show pikin love, the army here is zao. Those kind laugh won't live for Africa. I do yeah go more women, I do yeah train no more. Mema like as I said before, for the beginning it was a prank. Yes, for the beginning we planted it, or it was a prank. But we cannot say or my guy prank. Not could be prank again. Me no sabi life on my own. So for those of you now, when I use this video to offend, I will say make una beg, make una forgive me. And the person will get hot temper, no sabi dey keep word for inside belle say make I bear am, make people take like me, make I not talk, people take like me. I not be like that. So I will prove, I will pour everything out, come out. I'll pour, so who like me go still like, who not like me go still rest. So as inside the matter, it still dey find us, because I consider say if we dey together, but not be now, still dey find, maybe make the quarrel no come dey or come again. Cause wetin happen that day, every day night they bless my children put, cause I know I made that kind of thing happen again. Cause these children too small when they take the experience all those kind of things. A home where there is no, and when there is always fight, when there is no love, it's not good for real children. We don't born. So make una beg for those people when I offend through this matter, make una beg, make una find space for una heart to forgive me. For when I say I no ask me quarrel no day, no ask no quarrel no day matter no, but all is segbe. So only malerun at least one be ata we zoro wa be we I every rogi ma be now every rogi ma be now wetin women or man they pray for be that no we quarrel no dey, but if it too much e no come good again, and that one me no like. And God go bless una my people.
Yes, that is my daughter for life. According to the marriage of a teen, we are 100% ready for the marriage. So we are still inviting you all to come on the 6th of October. So you all are invited to our marriage. To our marriage, and Enogie is going to do a let's just watch it here. Let's just luxurious, but I say at here. But I only time many. Where time me. Luxury marriage. We are going to do luxury marriage. It might not take away a luxury marriage. Ogbane, mabege ogbane. So at the Murphy of Guana, my wife is 100% ready, while Enogie is 100% ready. And you go and mammy, but we know that. I wa we binedio ye gwaligo ramego nwane o ye gwaligo. Many people tadolo to ye gwaligo. So I me kenana di go by go then I came na ya. So everybody wa ya fe wa we se kina use kina ye me no atadale
for now
ye mommy ya
God go bless you now. Kino gwan yo oridan kino gwan yo say ça va rien débawa.
Yeah. Voici. Enogie.
Et pardon ça.
L'année.
Yeah, on est pas good. First and foremost, I want to say a very big thank you to my godfather.
Okay, Oni, la next skedin. La to tell you quick 1 minute. That okay, where to tell you.
Except to me, to tell you
we do okay.
Yes, you doing no way. Now, good afternoon. Please share this video for me.
Yeah, go on.
I want to use pidgin for people who know the hear meaning, but not understand. Number one, I thank my daddy, the godfather and the swag. I say thank you, sir, for everything you have done so far to make sure we're in marriage now almost to hold. Now, I want to say something here. My fans all over the world, I say, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for disappointing you guys. I'm so sorry for whatsoever my wife have said to me and the one I have also said to her. Everybody might not be the same. I'm not a madman. I love my children so much. All I want is to give my children the best, to train them in an African way so that she can train them in a European way. Some of you might be saying, no, not the shame, this, that. Yes, because now we bring her come media.
That's true.
The mama mwela media, mama for no. Una way they look me so, una that's not perfect.
That is the truth.
You way they look me so, una that's not perfect.
Yes.
Maybe if you and your husband get quarrel, you get the patience to be here. You get the patience to be here. That's why you will never come out. I know. I don't want to talk much for those of you now who still carry the issue, for those of you now who support me, for those of you now who support her. And God will bless all of you now. Guayagama. If I blame Guayafe no saga in my period now, honestly, because where Mamu now we go give enemy food.
Yes.
Now we say our own not good and their own good.
Good pass.
But trust me, no home is perfect. Understand? No home is perfect. Some people did this life will be say, now footballer, now you gonna realize at the end, say the 3 children we get for this life not be you. It's still their life. There is nothing that will go up
That will not come
that
down.
will not come down. There is nothing. But for you to have a peaceful home, for you to have a peaceful life and everything, this is the reason why I never wanted you to come on social media. Because if rain fall finish, we'll know where people follow.
Yes.
This one should also serve as a lesson to not just her, not
For
just
everybody,
her.
every family.
Because at the end of the day, now social media now could not help,
It not help anything.
but
Na
destroy.
noise.
But to
Na
destroy.
noise. Noise maker.
Assuming as we quarrel, nobody know. I believe say, una for not there today to they say shame on you. A lot of things have been said. This that. So to crown it all, my lovers, our marriage in October. Still,
We are inviting everybody.
this might be
Nora,
this might be a temptation. This might be an attack. If I go on, this might be an attack on her to ruin everything that we have ever planned. Because when I not touch our do marriage, this can't not happen.
No happen. I'm assuming there.
Okasunu, but
Everybody.
Ima perfect.
Yes.
We laughing now, I'm not perfect. Neither will I say she's also perfect. But una way they watch us, not be just to the talk. Una still they learn. Use my own take get sense. If you and your wife the quarrel for his house, keep her between herself or tell family. Because no masse eri normal.
Yes.
I also now we need more Ipa because Ipa have been in these issues since yesterday. Even if that me verse pass, I need to respect him because why? He just want us to do this thing.
And the home should be settled.
I might still have grudges in my mind. You might still have grudges she might still have grudges in her own mind as well. But I believe she has also learned her lessons. So please, mama and mama, precious Meg, I beg each and every one of you. One still look at as an attack. But in a normal way, we need to do because we now we sell ourselves to our enemies. May they laugh us.
So now we are attached to where yete wa the ticket in one do when I do bata where yete wa the ticket in la wo a ticket but my retrieve any I gave retrieve.
So
la will be a hamia where yes. Why you
mama, you will come. You will come.
What the boom, mama, or 10 times. or take the ticket.
Mama,
that is not a problem for her.
Worry.
Yeah, we are.
He can't apology Gwene.
Mama.
And I stand again to apologize to you again.
We have a agreement, Mama. Ma we carry Gwene, but me I do love West and we carry. Ma, wo. Ma, we can be me away nwa.
Worry.
Ma ya fe me away nwa.
I am your makba.
Ma,
na imi.
me nekwe.
Mama we offend one. We get it am me ba we no we river. We wa ya nwase we rio.
Ma we offend one. So lawo woji. Ma.
E wa ya fe ni linle imata na saga manios because we me yi to.
Ebo amagba. You are welcome, Baba.
Eba Magba.
One of Ovia.
Mama Itoan Douglas of Denmark.
Mama Itoan Douglas.
Baba Skimmy.
Skimmy, yeah. Destiny Bagua.
Daddy Winston.
Winston, what you have? Winston, Gator. Eh, Uncle Bear.
Epa.
Yes. Watomo.
Epa.
Yes.
Wamuya.
Yeah.
Just go and prepare.
Yeah.
If we no do na.
Yes.
Wamuya.
I have you, Mama Teo Dogba.
Who were deli go what chipo in your way. Madobo. Who deli go what chipo in your way. You understand me?
No, come. I want to come, Mother. Ni come, Mother.
We have fair ni matave. Azagba. Ma o hame we ne wo wa.
Yes. Emi ani atani.
Mo mu go yohun.
Yeah.
Eyin na wu. Ma o hame we ne wo wa.
Awene. Yin sene boni ya ne.
Overnight.
Ma we
overnight. In case we na ata we inaitabo. Inaitabo.
Mo ware wa.
O ma mu e. O ma lu ye ko pe awe.
Ma lu ye ko pe gbe.
So another time ma me we give na we.
We na we.
So abi wo ni ne. So wala wo. Our marriage will still hold. October 6th.
100%.
Yeah, we gonna worry pa. Yeah, we had a
good
news cannot travel far.
Yes.
The way bad news here travel. One no here yo, it might be blame wa. One no marry here yo, it might be blame wa.
I will take a can den of your women.
Here you one ya.
A can den of your women.
You one ya because
so why you pay no de live video no take no matter agmo ama wa. Ma
ine runege ame.
Ndiane.
Epagwe titoni.
Motai.
Eda. Even so not tie. Ya asu. Manios, mama na mama Lady Precious Men. Every asaboro sungu. If I'm not supporting me, iya sungu. If I'm not supporting ye, iya sungu.
Yes.
If I'm ya, never sabi. Donc agwa leke obo no mari go gwo yen go get. Opa no ma gbo yen gbe. Ya David agwa. So please, I beg you in God's name, all Enogie fans worldwide.
The movie fans.
Mama Miami.
Oh, we can wait. We can wait. We can wait. Away fast me. Away wa. Everyone. Away pa. Are you working?
I'm a P.
So why I feel
like group
Adam yo kan ya agbo.
Aruswe group na wa message gbe share video we padocom.
Owaye aye a program e pa ko.
I'm a P.
We
yes.
Yeah. We mommy B&B we are watching mommy B&B.
Yeah.
We waka bo wa re to mommy jori.
Wow.
This is a lesson to married women and married man. If you announce yourself for public, they will help you disgrace you.
Right here, but me right here go ya. But the live video now, when you rate 2 years time, one, you are 60 years. You are 60. In your money, what are you from? What are the problem one? Then what? And why are you? I mean, we can make.
In a way, who can deli gbevie yan ba yan lukare. Because why? Ubegi yan no what is shame. Nenemi, you have a right. But it's so way not a shame in you have a right. Some of the way they say shame and disgrace, una get right. Some of the ways they talk because why? Those are the same people normal no kagba. You so way they say you not go complete before we be happy. Show me where your husband for put money for your head. Or you can't do lost due marriage for you.
About your marriage in your man. Now we break bell.
If you're ready, I tell me, Ezo ni mariye
On the 6th October.
Ezo ni mariye Nora gui.
Yes.
Di ma gwa na ya gwa as because imaya yo pe abo.
Omaya yoko bo.
Maya yoko bo. Ili ereje.
Omaya
Ezo ni
yoko
ma gbagui. Maya abo ma. Wa lo ti e ayo. Why stopping here? No, why don't we?
Yes.
Ma understand the way. A marriage now.
We are making some pano lanu wa.
A marriage now. A marriage now.
This is my Nora is my second wife.
A marriage now.
My second wife for life.
A marriage now.
No, we know ya.
Talk here.
Ogbane.
So why you fair nothing withdraw? Allow. I mean, one very happy. I mean, one name peace. Magmona. I make your man and agree and I don't know. Mama Nora talking you come. I can't be best beat somebody for this media.
Oh, Agboma.
No. If my man no go and I already know who cool. When the other now, sorry, cool. And they do ya. Oh, man, beko better media now. Understand? Okay, Benny. Others get the live video, yo. Everybody get the way to the verse. Or beko better. Or get on the live video, yo. So I am not the first, no starter. My marriage is blessed and highly favored. Why you are not loving me, Buse, man, not liking me. A marriage now will still. A money, nor ego gyobo, nor ego gyo, when they get back. I had even one will be. The marriage now we hold. The marriage now we hold.
TikTok is saying that me battery panel where okay we are respected the social media president
for
bringing peace into this family.
Yes.
Also say
yes.
We disgrace ourselves better pass with the slice for free. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
Enogie continue to respect this man. This man is your second father in this world.
Where's he?
Father and this man. May God bless him. Not really time who will take away by social media. Who will obey and disobey. You know, some of you are just coming up in life. I'm a father of 22 years old. You know, some of you 22 years old child. You know, may I be I know what it takes to be a married.
Yeah.
Baba, you know why we know where or be a little baby or be a to tell you we're not really time one little. You will do one baby one. Hero where one is your mentor. Respect any day, any time. I'm a mere Bomaviriana. Oh my for may God bless your union. May God bless the social media president family. How will continue to grow for better and better and better. So learn from this today.
Put Prince, we want to learn. You call out we are going. Single mothers or put and our feel because
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hello, Dr. Prince. Hello, Dr. Prince.
Of social media president.
Enogie.
Of social media president.
Enogie.
Esugusu borila. Ayenya woi.
Yale.
Ayenya woi.
Yale.
Wa talk be.
Ise.
Ime wa go atamawo big start me wa mo be me wa.
One.
A big start me. No say na go because in there we Enogie and Mama Nora, they are not hearing me.
They are hearing you.
They are not hearing me. So
they are hearing you.
I'm very happy. Yeah. We have this year now.
Yeah.
You come who want one Ezo Doane. And we have one.
Have you gone near your boy? Where I am, go.
Eko bete we la jata mi we iya settle
na o e mo no na. Eko bete kakari this.
Ebanya te ekobete te motivational speaker no. Wa ga to retire ya settle no. E kobete ga to no settlement ni that's no. Owo masinya tenko. See, iye no ra me wane. Emi no sunu na I believe 30 years coming. Ewe be sunu. Iye no ra me wane. Oma sa na iye no ra kanoko. Console again. No we go no no ge latia.
Agwa.
Because the social media no move you yeah. It's also
if you are hearing me, that means be to praise. I know you are not hearing me. You are not hearing me. So Mama Nora, I must beg you, you not so easy. You are a woman. Yeah. Know your ass. Do away.
That's
true.
Do
away. 80% of only 80% of whom do away a bed Enogie will allow you one the one the brother if no sooner or boy still nearly Larry.
Are you soon?
Why I need one of three every they are not hearing me. Thank you.
Where's over here?
Hello, brother. What the line? Hello?
Good morning.
Hey, what?
Koya, my brother.
Where's he?
Actually, no pony, I can't better now.
Yeah.
Here I read my do it. He needs to.
Yeah.
1 year, Esther, I could be here. Then I go. I called you to tell you where Miana or little dear. Yeah, do. So, when I look in now, actually, looking for high, no patrol high. To understand. All I want was looking to do. Yeah, after to a marriage to Sloba, according to no back, no real. Getting up on a Nuki, I work with because even 1 year, I want to say where where you are doing well. The way born away, Nigeria just people. So, all my respect, in your panel, Enogie, Lovɛ of a big Deutschland of anything where we haven't been 5 years in a win of an pressure of 1 year. You can go and put him for paper. My advice for him, a live video, anything. Where small job, a mini job, a week of 4 hours, no, not try. We have to bring it back up. Walk by with Bona, no, big where this, no. No, that to anyway, what
Mama.
Oh, what's happening?
Oh,
yeah, increase it.
Oh, Oma, this is no.
Okay.
Yeah, change it. You are going to
Okay. What's the
hello, Mommy Iyori, Oni, Yari Nora. Hello, Mommy Iyori.
Hello, River call, Domo.
Yo, I talk by happy Sunday.
I wish you all the same call. It's only one.
Mamma, your name.
You can only come and give you about one talk by
okay. Oni.
Ode.
When on Larry, you're not turning a cabin no way.
Okay. Okay. Please, what you love, I like you.
Lali, you be about we.
You know that.
Ode, your more here. Hello.
Hello, it's my double.
You didn't. Il a tout assez.
Et pas la Thierry. Mommy Iyori la wa mudiama. O wa we keti we mudia. I'm making a problem here. Really? Mommy Iyori no tapa. Orenye mama.
Mama, come mommy.
Hello, now, if I no Guani, when nobody 1 minute, me, while now, if I social media president. When a man, you 1 minute, me, now.
Oh.
Hello, General.
Mommy, come mommy.
What talk me, you said,
Come mommy.
General, I agree with Tanya, no, now, who love her, where we are. Who love her with all your heart. Tomato salubwa. Because you man love her, or you know that was saying, I know what I'm going to love her.
Next one do I run I had the love nothing.
I love me. I say me of my love anyone. No, we're getting love her. Temata, you go and family. Do my love her. Well, my love her. Even if I be in Temata, who getting love
her. Mama.
Who love her? Huh? On my off work. If you love her, how we are.
What's a year? Or any. You went to ya will yamu your way. Okay, ma. Off work, but I know to have an egg. Intention of what walking by me now. Egg, as I want me, Benny Jesu. Call. My love, only one no way. My wife say, what about
Mama.
Our activity,
I pass here any bargain.
Lao Wani Loyata we forget about marriage. Do what for my good the difference between us and Nabi say no never talk could now come aside once. That make us different. Understand me? When the party nanya, when the power him messing na. Una they look at because maybe because he take care of himself. Wawari man, and this man yo dali maso. Ya iwari, iwo gun marry. Ma sure we no gbano. Ma understand me? Ma sure we no gbano. So when Maya live here, I believe she has learnt a lesson or realized a mistake already, or realized anyway. After the bomb, Aladia or Dova may have a problem. Yeah. As far as I do the violent or I don't know battle us, I don't win enemy, a bear river, a family river, Godfather river, enemy river. What's the new that give? Because why you know laugh me? Because where your wife, your husband never disgrace you from media. So you two say you perfect. Abi? Because your wife never disgraced you from media now. You can't believe now say perfect. We wait 2002 no Imana. Ima raw. No worst is a Nora. No worst is a Enogie. We be say at the end of the day. You say two people they do 25 years anniversary, 30 years. Not be beans. Mama na mama. Well, when you apology for 7 days. A love in when Nora ni. What the legbe amo ene. A lady precious Meg. Lao. That is it. Sister, happy weekend. Afana. We don't want like they bad babe.
Congratulations. If I will call the 19 issue, I think it's funny the old Nabi.
Alright, last speaker.
Now, if your money have us where I'm in the one team with him, you know, all we person maybe it was I will live you to a young women, really live you to Lao more. Oh, and two. And two, a body walk away, you understand? Maybe you know, maybe a person maybe say they use cost to the follow Marty they play. We are trying to understand the go and every Kenya, Bonisha. Man do understand the they live video with you now. With the live video. Now they don't want you to see me. And while they will saga, when you get Nora with live video, do I will saga.
Oh, Facebook of you know that I am here. You know that we will like anything you know that I walk here pass through me. You know that cannot except you man love your marriage, okay? You know that I love your marriage, okay? And you did a big go on Facebook. You will saga you and you did big talo. Or here what keep watch. Or it's Yahweh no with TikTok. That is our agreement. She can never come on live video again. For laugh. Or it's Agme. Well, say a Facebook or ya go and ya say give the password everything.
Okay, mama.
Well, say. Marriage now, all work. I was saying, yeah, I've been married. I was saying, yeah, while I go, man, I'm making an agree. I mean, one is a ye. I mean, one the problem in ye. I mean, one on low my ye. Just that the devil used that. Now, Gary, man, now, no, I don't take glory where he has seen a marriage in here, but if most I look by that moment, we almost talk back. Mama, why I forgive you, Nora? You guys apologizing who were having Facebook. Who were where? Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Oh, he must say happy Sunday to you, my darling sister.
I've called you several times to Mama phone. But then immediately Nora, I wanted to talk to you and I wanted to talk to Nora. But I'm so grateful today. We also love blessing that Dausa. Also love blessing. He became Enogie that the movie Gualo. Okay, I'm Europe, no Europe. God bless him and bless his family. A favor, a helper of your locating here.
Amen. Jesus' name.
What is your hammer when here? No matter what, I get it separate to a pan of father is your second.
A bega anywhere. Mave Paris de Liberty. Ancien bien là te ye. Oge pia ki ogiave. Itoge. I tell you, Becky love, I see you.
But to Salobwa saying, God passed it. I saw it in the spirit realm. It was a spiritual attack. And no matter what going on there,
Eva soro, not yet 10,000 ariago. A soro, not yet 15,000 ariago.
If you plan a mama,
A price. What do you want?
That's my soul! My soul! My soul!
What do you want me to do for you, pa? Tamawe. What do you do? Tell me, pa.
Congratulations.
Anything you do, Tamawe, pa. I will do it for you.
Congratulations.
Get where?
Congratulations.
Yeah. No matter what will happen,
congratulations.
Don't ever
bring your marriage.
Life
and direct.
Please. Yes, God has done it. God has turned everything around. The table has turned around.
Yes,
the table turned around. You understand?
We rubbish in that table. Oh, I want to go. Osifo, Anthony, okay, now, Masoba. Osifo, well, I book that yo. Well, yo. I'm warrior. Oh, Osifo. Well, I
no control.
Where do I go? No,
oh, guys, a bomber ganya.
Oh, my God. We raise up your close here. So, wala wo. Who wa get here by first marriage o. Ma mo gbe manu wa. Wa do asaga. Then you know la dia. O ma te get ko beti ko ni re kede dia de.
Hello.
Aba bio. But I.
Hello. Enutie.
Okay. I don't want to talk. Make a Enogie, make it easy with Mama Laura, you know.
Okay.
Where no, mine is man no bomb me when my bomb go on anyhow.
Yeah.
We consider you. On my is in the woman. When Enogie when you go back again another you know I'm aggressive. If you go to one she know what she expect for Enogie different. Enogie too no bueno.
To be John. If you not come forgive me, what you concern me? I know you before. Why soon? To be John, why soon?
Cannot calm down for it. He go enjoy that woman. That woman not be bad.
Ah, my day bad.
More progress.
Ni we ni me yare ma na sin. Ogun egun.
More progress.
Ega ido mo to ta nya gbe. Ma we na de ona ido ta we baba. A marriage na. Be ni teta bonu da we baba. Enogie do kissing ye forgive you Enogie.
Calm down. I general ya go for real. This guy will be Enogie limit.
Yes.
We don't calm down. We don't
If I want 1 minute. Yeah, if I want to carry you,
Okay.
you the move well again.
Okay, wa mu la dia. We are mu la dia o.
You the move well again.
We are mu la dia.
I want us to go to Chinese restaurant.
Ah, they cut you there.
This is not no rebellion.
No rebellion.
C'est not rebellion.
No rebellion ma o.
On va se
No
no.
are cut ni. No bi pon ni ma.
On va se
No bi pon ni
no.
ma. Yeah.
On va se. On veut dire marriage, ouais.
O we dey marriage already.
You dey fuck up. Make you calm down. They calm down. A woman in my body. I tell you.
All right.
And they tell you that woman.
Where now two people they calm down for a relationship.
All right. Where's
Very
it?
more way.
Hello. Hello.
More progress.
Eh, what? Yeah. Yeah. He said.
Because yes, told him I'm so happy. The settlement now. I'm following you up to yesterday. If I God will bless you.
Amen.
You are true senior brother to temple in the altar.
Amen.
Almost every day.
No problem. Now we'll go to the Akpakomisa. Dennis Idaosa.
It's a chair.
Dennis Idaosa.
That's the Godfather no wait.
Deko.
The Godfather no strong.
Akpakomisa for governor.
Godfather
Edo State. My baby na so na quick bese. Ye we gigba. Mama Nora. Hey ku. Now ekeni mene social media president je. E ni me yo boy o mana ijejo we na di ya ni ba dia na ba dia bi. E na lawe. Ye Nora. Gemao onagelewe daddy we go you are an old man. I will always respect you for the rest of your life. No I'm now your second husband.
This is my car. A bank card event.
Yes.
I want to spoil you tonight.
So do I.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
I'm waiting.
Woman met jam. If I want to well at train, why you want to move to a way? If I am West, I will buy you. My video there. I am waiting.
Wow, let's see.
I want to prove to you today, women go so not strong.
Yes. Sophia. Lao, me no di ko ma on the 6th.
When Sophia don't do more.
Lao, o ma do ko Sophia ma de. Ma do ko. Very sorry.
Okay.
We not comment you one day we not chebo ni o ma
you think it's funny. He just insulted me a lot of me. I was
sorry, your man went no.
He apologized.
Man, wouldn't you apologize now?
Sister, when you me belly.
No, my name is
My name is Court.
Egui, ma. He we. Woman, me love you Egui. Oh man, yeah.
Are you going to be when ya?
Oh, le Kinebo connect. Ipa okuna le Kinebo na.
All the marriage you were.
Ipa mercy no.
All.
If you know who wa, it will not play. Omadi Bamaropa. Owa atawe nogi. Settle your home. Nobody will help you to do.
Ukinebo we mose. Ukinebo we mose o. Ukinepo me wemose. Eri wenu weme pieri omeje. Ukinepo me wemose. Bagbogbo. Kinepo me wemose. Gimwani adayasu. Gay.
Ekinebo.
Ah, yes,
When yere nyana connect epa. Oni maya kugie.
Ukinebo no more.
Oni maya kugie pa.
Eh, yes, in one ladian.
Pa. Oni maya kugie.
Gay.
Pa oni maya kugie.
Wa dan yo.
Ya.
Oh, DJ. Ukinebo je me DJ o.
Mata ma me pa.
Ukinebo je me DJ o.
Wherever you say pa mata ma me. Ni gwale.
Omono. Ayu me ya enegbe.
Iye me. So you want to say the one on me. You want to hear that play? You are live video.
Ore one there yo. Live on direct.
Hello.
Hello, Enogie Adokpe.
Enutie brother Rekoyo.
Baba wa Domo. Social media president Domo sir.
The prince. Yeah, we have been in comment already. The prince of lesson.
Yari, Baba. Adomo. Hello, Baba. Enogie ba Iwa Gogo yo when Enogie today is happy with his family. I know that all your work comes from your hand, and also where you and your family.
It's
Yeah, Baba, like, how best of finding when Enogie is that?
Hello.
Hello.
Social media president.
Enutie.
Baba what?
What's ye?
Baba mi wa brana no wa settle Enogie wo kan. God bless you.
What's ye? What's
Enogie
ye?
enita.
Iwa ni tawa ma wa gbon. Ipa mowe. Hello.
Andrew.
Andrew Mofuma.
Yeah.
Hello.
Now name you call.
Good afternoon. I really appreciate what you're doing. I really appreciate.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Away, no.
Yeah, Richard, how are you doing?
I'm fair, sir. Away. Ara.
I really appreciate what social media president did, because social media president has always been to build marriages. He doesn't want any marriage to get destroyed.
No way.
When
That's true.
Being done, I thought it was a prank, but obviously social media president, you've done great. Seriously, I must commend your efforts. Seriously.
Thank you.
Richard, I appreciate your union back again.
Thank you so
much. They will fail. Marriage is not for child. It's not for kids. Marriage is not for tough men. And I'm not happy seeing any marriage go wrong. Based on that, I really appreciate your reconciliation with your wife, and I wish you all the best and the best. Social media president, thank you, your wife, for making sure this marriage is going to work for good.
It's working. How about work? Where you walk, where you walk, where when you walking man, we may got here, you know, and your heart. It's gonna work. Anybody know that thought, you gotta work. I mean, your panny, Allah, Negba, or Bane. If I have now where? Now, pay you a marriage now. Why have if we make it go? Voilà, Bagui, my beg or dig well. Now you pay all
Enogie lovers. Enogie lovers worldwide. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Marriage in
October 6. Wala mama na mama.
Wala ije.
He love you, egbe. Okay. No attack where nyenemi. Mama na mama. He love you, egbe.
You are a mother.
We're very precious, Meg.
Yeah, very much.
Because of the love in me. Iye Nora, otuwa nekere no.
I know.
Mama na mama. Iye Nora na uwemi. Ona iga wira vi yokpa bi we.
O say I.
Uhuri ya boy. Lady Precious Maggie, I talk by mama. Iye no na iwe no na iga gbe we. Era
Majowa yes.
Akwe we go. That we na here. Na agogun mo mi no mama na me. Egyo wa deceive you owo ga aye wa ya mu we laja because ujo wo kan they get jealous.
Yes.
So if Nora as soon as is there, all of them are happy. No ma gbe gu yegbe. More progress wa ma wa gbon o se no se tien e u ki me. More progress. More progress. What do me? More progress. We mana ire me ado mi we. More progress. We mana ire wonona.
Ade ori marriage na.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
More progress na mo na mo. More progress. Marriage better your taye gba. Wa yareba. Ukuma areba. Ba yape. O presenter nu we ma wa je o.
Omo pity.
Na mare. E o ni de ni egbe.
Becky love.
We am here. Oh.
Mama Miami.
Ba je so gbe better yo.
Is that one of Belfast?
No makia.
Is that
no
one of
so gbe wa gbo.
one of
No makia o.
Oh.
Ayi so gbe wa gbo o. No makia.
Is that one of Belgium?
Ayi so gbe wa gbo. E ma no ikia na ya fe. We are inviting you all. No chikia. Okay, we are there.
Only matrimony. Hey. Oh, no, every year, you gbegbe, but don't we marriage in the area.
Ah, don't try. I'm a bio money.
Ade.
I'm a bio.
If I went say that the way, it was me and a fool. You know, do I was a Ghana. No, do I go me Ghana? It was me. Then you tell us, and you my settle.
Ah, Kakabo, Ibori.
Then you tell us, not bad your daughter, not bad your daughter, fake marriage. At the end of the day, we are getting fake marriage, you know, here.
On a year less dross. This is diamond marriage. Diamond marriage.
Diamond luxury marriage.
Diamond luxury marriage. You know.
You are price the diamond,
diamond luxury marriage.
Of a gold. Uta my way, you know, I can diamond.
Yes.
He go tell you. You know what she shows. Marriage is for better, for worse. No this and no peace. Better food to shall know them. Yeah, when they were last week. I mean, nice. See. The marriage go even what pass as it be. Trust me.
Don't please.
Don't please.
Well, don't please.
A bad marriage is out is no car.
Yeah, the great Enogie one.
Wow.
Enogie.
Yeah, Enogie. Now, a message upon you need to send.
Yeah.
Information no Bumeri now we a cobet man will remember Sarah for many years.
Oh God.
So
don't please. Era kine wo ya fe me arema o ma ke wa tegbe ro ni uwa mu le gboto
me ma vie na so no de
do wa he ategbe re ro wa te program wa ma eni mejena dame onia eni mejena dame o idio body ne idio body no one up forget it. Don't please bye bye oh my disrespect to bye bye ma la wo if I die social media if I die otobo ne on respect you no pay respect you any be do make boto ni be o ma gba we ri o ma gba we ri o igualo
Pawato.
Igualo.
Epa bote we go malakala. Omo re dame. Wetin meri wa obo.
Ogugbe ni hin.
Na ya bo wa tete. Wa do agu.
Me ma jaji ni ha.
Okay, ma yaji sha. Ma yaji.
Ṣùgbọ́n ma jaji wa ewe wo.
Hello. Unbeatable Lady P. Wa talk pe. That is my Iowa of Diamond Gang.
It's investor.
Wa talk pe yo wa men.
Social media president.
Enogie.
Wadomo.
Emi yama.
Okay. Ni hawa le subject on ye pa di mo fita babana. Understanding it. Now the settlement has been done. Just leave that area.
Yes.
Understanding it.
Nobody should insult anybody here.
Leave that area. Concentrate on the settlement.
Yeah.
Understanding it. On the happiness, on how to build the family, how to move forward.
Yeah.
Just leave every other thing. Understanding it. So concentrate on the joy that has come again to the family.
Yes.
Understanding it.
Yes.
If there's anybody no friend of a lad, to boy they apologize. Like mama, but you yourself you have apologized so many times. Also allow her to apologize to him and
yes,
they too they should give her the time.
You love him, mama,
because reading through the comment section, even the mama where does my apology will Nora, understand she should bring her herself and do the needful. If she has been so nice to her, mama they cannot disrespect her.
You know that Daniel. You know that dog with the way mount or the way one.
No problem. That's we are happy.
Hello. Hello. What? Yeah. All right. Yeah. Nora, Larry. Nora, TM.
When I be Canada is stress over. You want me to
yeah,
but we had it back.
We did.
If I were there, you know that be well. Okay, when maybe I'm out.
You get your line again. Do I will be winning?
Okay. No, I love you, mama. Mama, be mama, marriage, man.
Oro.
Maclay.
Oro.
Hey,
I assure you, oro.
Oh, damn it, be. Baby, it precious make you. Precious make it that way. No girl will not come because of what mommy Nora did. Precious Meg, you know you claim you love me and I love you too and you know it. Again, you have the grace to get away. Precious Meg, you marry, my die. Because if they say road where they be one the pool, you know they walk, they'll switch. Precious Meg, not your worry. If I hear so a different way now. Precious Meg, if I am you, don't go to the marriage. I think I can't in equal way. No, work better. Who are strong. The best I got strong. No, when you're a German first lady, Nora, you where they sort your mama. Tell me, don't me and my wife do so. We husband and wife are not the quarrel. But you where they sort your mother, mama, we not get box for a whole. Man, woman, you have to your wife, when you're here, or go here, boy. On we are, anyway. Now, I will mama, the precious man. Yeah, we are my yeah, we but here are many, but they're not yet. Nora, please go back, okay?
Nora, go back.
If I want to get the motor, Mama, your show? Huh? I no show. Give me baby. Mama, Nala, Muri.
No, no.
Yeah, yes, I got my own.
Oh, no show. Oh,
Amalia. Amalia, Guania.
Ni show e kona kere ni am begin ya begin kere. Imagine I went again na ka gbo ima dale.